All right, trains is out. Not too bad, but huh. Oh. Oh. Um. Oh. Looks like we got some windows. Well, if it was gonna die, it went out in style. Clutch, flywheel. You know, could use a resurface, but also, well, we'll think about that because we do still have time for ponies and smokies. Trans cross member, cleaned, nice. Here's the problem. Bell housing. Evidently, when this thing got hot, or over time, huge Grand Canyon crack from one end all the way to the other end. This really sucks, but gotta get another one, I guess. All right, updates. New rear main seal installed, nice and flush. Hopefully no more leaks. I'm gonna ignore all of that wonderful goodness because I don't have a pan gasket, and I believe you gotta take the whole cross member out to get the pan out, or pull the engine, which we are definitely not doing. All right, day 2 of this project. Flywheel is in, torqued to Ugga Dugga spec. Hey, Bubba, you helping? Yeah, he's helping. We got some more goodies. Oh, the goodness, ram clutches. Coming in clutch, haha, for Foxy. Oh yeah, niceness. So this is replacing that, and hopefully going to be going in, getting their baby back on the road. All right, update. Clutch is in, pressure plate is in, all torqued nice and snug, and just perfect alignment. You can barely pull that thing in and out. That seems very inappropriate, but still. Anyway, so clutch is in, onto the new bell housing. All new shiny goodness. You want a filter? We are 100% complete underneath. So up we go. By far the best money I've spent. I think this was at O'Reilly's. It was 18 bucks, something like that. Yeah, when you look at it, oh, it's just a bunch of plastic, and you could have gotten a soap dispenser, but whatever. This makes this job so much better. So we got 3 of these. Work on 5 quarts to pump in, and I don't know if you can see the camera. No, you can't see. Drive shaft is in. Nice new shiny goodness. Exhaust is in. Exhaust is back in its hangers. Ooh, shit. And I'm gonna finish up an oil change. I gotta get a oil filter wrench because the ones that, of course, that I have available are, one is too small and one is not working. Let's just say it's not working. So, fill up fluids and hop on the inside of the car, and shifter, center console, put the battery back in. We're road ready. All right, first test drive, successful, great success. Shifter's a little wonky. I gotta tweak that here and there. Clutch feels great. Great oil pressure. No weird vibrations. No weird noises. So I'm calling that
great success.
Great success. Hopefully I don't have to do it ever again. All right, just a quick little rinse down. We'll get her all shined up for tomorrow, but she's back on the road. Runs and drives smooth. So that's all from here. That's all for the trans swap adventure. I am tired. I am hungry. I could use a cold beer right now. So I'm going to turn it back to you and hopefully get more smiles per gallon with this girl.